I can collecting honey, go see it. She said, how did she find out?
I put it on Facebook.
Oh,
I was going to call you guys, and I thought, I'll put it on Facebook, and okay. I guess it's easiest just to show you what I do.
Okay.
Turn that on. It'll take just a minute for that to get warm.
Oh, still honeybee there.
A couple. I got as many out as I could. And I don't think they're going to sting us. There's only a couple. Okay. See, they cap over the cells. They cap them over.
Yeah.
I have to cut the caps off before we can spin it out.
Oh, I see.
And this is how we cut the caps off.
Ooh, Levan.
This is capped over. This is not.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to cut these off.
Uh-huh.
And that one's not capped over. So this is called green honey.
Oh, I see.
When it's capped over, it's called ripe honey. Ripe honey. Green honey.
Oh, I see. Oh.
So I gotta cut these. Gotta cut these caps off.
honey があん中入ってるんだね。
Yeah, I don't have to cut these off.
これでスペインしてハニーを出すんだね。These are wax. That's what it is?
They put a lid on the jar. Each of these little jar of honey. They put the lid on the jar. I have to take the lid off. Then when we put it in there and we spin it, all the honey comes out against the wall and runs down, and we filter it there.
Oh, I see. Hey, 始まりますよ。
Okay, Mitzi, look right down in here. See the honey thrown out against the side?
Yeah. Yes.
Do you see that, Mitzi?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah. Fast.
And then it runs down the side?
It's shaking the whole thing.
It shakes. And then I have to give the honey time to go down the wall.
Right, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm really allergic.
Oh,
Puffs up.
oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is full up to about right there.